Ciao guys, Revudia. So here we are with another video comparison between two versions of the same game on the Oculus Quest and on the Oculus Rift. This time we're gonna go to Dance Central, that is a little more demanding when it comes to GPU, CPU and all different effects than Beat Saber that we saw in the last video. You can check it out over there. Anyway, it's a very fast video, so don't worry about it. And well, we're gonna go through the side-by-side comparison. I have to tell you though that I had to change the music because it's not possible to do it with the copyrights over there. So there's gonna be another song in there, and the two versions were a little different too in terms of movement. But that means that you're gonna have to pick a little better for the different texture, the little differences that you see in this game, and let me know in the comment below. I have to tell you again, these games are completely enjoyable, even if in different versions, even with different graphics. I also tried Robo Recall, but I wasn't able to record it, so I'm sorry about that, but I couldn't do anything about it. If you want, we can maybe talk about it in the future videos. Also, the video with all your questions about the Oculus Rift S and the Oculus Quest is finally ready, so it's gonna pop up tomorrow. So click the bell button, I guess, so you're gonna get the notification and you're gonna be able to see this video that we made directly on the PAX East floor. But for now, again, enjoy Harmonix with Dance Central on the two different versions. It's all to you. And here we have it, guys. These were the two versions of Dance Central. Let me know what you think in the comment below. And as always, if you liked the video, like. If you didn't like the video, dislike. Subscribe to the channel for more about VR and tech, because here we are a VR tech channel talking about VR technology like all the other technologies out there. So I don't understand why we should be treated in a different way. But anyway, I always talk too much. So I see you guys tomorrow with the Q&A video with all your questions answered. And yeah, I see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Ciao.